Okay, guys, here's our layout. This is the size and scale. A foot off the wall is your sliding glass door on this side and a foot on the other. Our fireplace dimensions represented by the blue line. I believe it was 40 tall and 42 wide. And this is centered on the wall. Possibly to do some tile around this, so the space between the blue line and here could be for some tile, which is typical with fireplaces, a non-combustible material, but I see this one is pretty tight as far as how close combustibles can be. This section inside the red square would be sunk back a couple inches just to give it some interest. These, well, we can look at it in 3D so we can see the space of it. And so we can look at it a little bit closer. I'm going to hide this wall. So here's our fireplace area. It is, I think the fireplace is about 17 or 18 inches deep. This is roughly 24 deep. These are 18 deep. A wood top, which would stick out another 1.5 inches. These are 13 deep. And then this is the TV space, which is 14 deep. So this section here is sunk back. It doesn't show, but it would be sunk back a couple inches. As far as the door style for these 6 doors here, and don't pay attention to that hardware. I know you had something different drawn in the center. But if we did a Ridgeland door style like this, there's a bunch of different styles out there, but for now we can use that door style. Our radius tops, these are adjustable shelves. Crown that would terminate at the ceiling, moving the AC vent, that's good. So if this upper cabinet's 14, the crown molding is going to come out another 3 or 4, so we're 17, 18 inches from the front of the crown molding to the back wall. This mantle or piece of crown molding, which is smaller than this molding, the face of this molding I believe is about 4 inches on the diagonal, and this is about 2 inches, so that this crown molding here would die into the face of this cabinet here. As far as component space, if we're looking at the front of this, this is the inside width, 22 3/8. But there's plenty of room. You are roughly, say, 23 inches on the inside and a foot tall, so components would sit there nicely. Component here and here. And the TV, this cabinet is shaped like this. So you can mount that bracket to here and push the TV back so it would be inset into this opening. So end view, it's 15 deep, right? And if we're looking at the face, I think your TV was 66 wide, 38 tall. So that's the inside opening. Width is 72.5 and 39 tall. So it fit in there just fine. Okay, let me know what you think. If we want to make any changes, make some more room on the ends. The top of the countertop from this point to the floor is 24 inches. Flush inset doors. Come on, computer. So if we're looking at the door, it's face frame being here, and the door is set inside that face frame. Note the cabinet just goes to the floor. There's no recessed toe kick. There really isn't a need for that. Okay, let me know what you think. Thank you.